Hello everyone, welcome back to Crochet Bits and Knits. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the moss stitch. So it's a really easy stitch, and if you start to play with the colors and how many rows of each color, you can get really cool patterns. So this is a very dense stitch, so I was also thinking about making this pattern and then making a pillow. So if that's a video you would be interested in seeing on the channel, let me know in the comment section down below. So let's jump into the stitch. For this tutorial, I'm using a 5mm hook and the I Love This yarn in, I believe it's Burgundy, no, Cranberry. I will also link the materials and how many rows of each color I did for the sample swatch I showed in the description box below. So we're going to be starting with our slip knot, and we'll begin by chaining an even number of rows. So you can make your project however long you'd like, just keep to an even number of chains. So for this tutorial, I'll just chain 12, and we'll begin by counting back 4 chains, 3, 4, and we will put a single crochet in that 4th chain from the hook. Next, chain 1, skip 1 chain, and single crochet into the next chain. Chain 1, skip 1, and single crochet into the next chain. So that is the repeat for the foundation. So we're going to chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next chain, chain 1, skip 1, and single crochet into the last chain. So super simple. Now the next row is going to be the repeat row for the rest of the project. We're going to chain 2 and turn, and we'll find these chain 1 spaces from the row below. So finding that first chain 1 space from the row below and putting a single crochet, chain 1, and we're going to find the next chain 1 space from the row below and putting a single crochet into that space, chain 1, and finding the next chain 1 space from the row below, chain 1, the next chain 1 space, putting a single crochet, chain 1, and the last chain space from the row below, a single crochet. Again, the repeat will be to chain 2 and then turn, and you will repeat that second row. So perfect stitch for beginners, or just a mindless stitch that you don't really have to think about. Again, I will put all the materials and how many rows I did for each color in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy my videos, like, share, and consider subscribing so you never miss a new video.